Hello children, welcome back to the online class. I hope all are you fine? Yes. So, today we are going to discussing the chapter 4 energy. What? Energy. Do you know the word energy? We are always use or is commonly use this word energy. Without energy we can able to do any work? No. So, here we are discussing the introduction of energy. Okay? Introduction of energy means what is energy. In physics, energy is the quantitative property that must be transferred to an object in order to perform work on or to heat the object. Heat the object means the second law of thermodynamics imposes limitations on the capacity of a system of transfer energy by performing work, since some of the system's energy might necessarily be consumed in the form of heat instead. So, the energy is conserved quantity. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can be converted in form but not created or destroyed. The SI unit of energy is the joule. We know that the SI unit of energy is joule, which is the energy transferred to an object by the work of moving it is a distance of 1 meter against a force of 1 Newton. You know the source of energy. Which one is the biggest source of energy? Yes, that's right, sun. The sun is the source of energy for most of life on earth. It derives its energy mainly from nuclear fusion in its core. Nuclear fusion in its core, converting mass to energy as proton are compared to form what? Helium, because it is chain reaction. This energy is transport to the sun's surface, then released into space, mainly in the form of radiant energy. Radiant energy means, yes, that's right, light energy. You know what we are use the common symbol of the energy, that is E, and the SI unit of energy, that is Joule. So the common forms of energy include the kinetic energy. You know the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means it's a moving object. Yes. And next, the potential energy stored by an object's position in a force field, which is gravitational force, electric force, and magnetic force. These are some word potential energy stored by the object by its positions. Okay. And next is the elastic energy. Elastic energy stored by stretching solid object. Next is the chemical energy. Chemical energy is released when a fuel burns. And another, the radiant energy. It's carried by light. And another one, that's the thermal energy due to an object's temperature. So, uh, the mass and energy are closely related. Due to mass energy equivalence, any object that has mass when stationary also has an equivalent amount of energy whose form is called rest energy. As any additional energy acquired by the objects above the rest energy will increases the object's total mass just as it increases its total energy. For example, after heating an object, its increases in energy could be measured as a small increases in mass with a sensitive enough scale. Whose from us called, so this is the rest energy. And next is, the living organism is also require the energy. So how the living organism get the energy? Yes, they get energy from food. So, living organisms require energy to stay alive, such as the energy humans get from food. Human civilization requires energy to function, which it gets from energy resources such as fossil fuels, nuclear fuels, renewable energy, the processes of energy, earth climates, and ecosystems that are driven by the radiant energy. Earth receives from the sun and the geothermal energy contained within the earth. I hope all of you understood this energy. What is energy? Yes. So thank you.